guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video I'll show you how to fix the something went wrong login error on Twitter, now called X. So if you can't sign in because of this error, then just follow along. First, make sure your internet connection is stable by switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Next, completely close the X app and reopen it. You can do that by swiping up from the bottom of your screen, then removing the X app from the recently opened apps. And if you're using a VPN or a proxy service, then disable it temporarily and then try signing in again. Now check the App Store or Google Play Store for any available updates and install the latest version of the X app. Then restart your phone and try logging in again. If you're signing in through a web browser, then try using another browser or open an incognito or private window. Also double check that you're entering the correct username, email address, phone number and password. Finally, if you still can't sign in, then use X's official account recovery or support options to regain access. So that was how to fix the Twitter something went wrong login error. Please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe for more helpful tips.